Okay, final session, everyone. We're very happy that you stayed here. Okay, so we're going to announce first the winners of the G Startup Competition. G Startup alumni have raised over $20 billion in the last few years. And Nir Dashti is a representative for GWC. He's going to tell us who the winners are, and I think there's only one presenter, not all three, so it's just going to take a few minutes. Stage is yours, Nir.
So first of all, thank you, Ben, and to the People on Computers team. It was an amazing collaboration, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to have G Startup participate in this event, and we hope to do so next year as well. Out of which, 8 of them were chosen to present today. They each gave a quick pitch, and I just want to announce the top 3. So for those who were at that competition, might have seen them. So the first place was a company called MindLift that dealt with wearable glasses for overcoming ADD and ADHD. The second company was a company called No Traffic, which is good for Tel Aviv, and they're dealing with solving the traffic problems. And the third company is Cedex, and they took number 3, and I want to actually invite them to the stage to do a quick pitch, just so that you guys can have a little taste of what the G Startup competition was all about. And we have 8 other locations this year, so follow the G Startup community online. And thank you again for the opportunity. So I'd like to call Sal from Cedex to do a quick presentation, and I'll leave you there. So thank you again.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity. Hagit spoke before about a revolution, so I'm coming presenting another revolution. A little bit of a buzzword, but blockchain. I heard you heard about it, most of you. So what is Cedex doing? If you look at the history, for those of you who have a little bit of gray hair like me, I was there 2008. I was running a desk at Lehman Brothers. When the phone started calling, everybody was trying to liquidate their position, looking for a way to hedge or to realize if their portfolio, because everything was tanking down. Where do you go? In financial markets, your best bet is to go to gold. Gold is a safe haven for most of us in time of uncertainty. That's where we go. This is where Cedex comes in place. Cedex is looking to do something really revolutionary. We're looking to create a new asset class. It's a big task. It's creating and actually educating a new market into a financial market. And I do want to spend a minute out of my 3.20 seconds I've left, 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and explain what is a financial asset. When you buy a car and it loses 10% a year, you say, well, that's fine, you know, I'm using it, 10% is a good deal. If I ever come to you, or your banker will come to you and sell you a product and say, listen, I got an investment, a great investment for you, you're going to lose just 10% a year. You'll probably kick out your banker, right? So this is the difference. Today, diamonds is a merchandise. You buy merchandise, you buy diamonds, you cannot sell them. Well, you can actually. If you go to your pawn shop, he will take it from you, probably 30% on a dollar. That's not a liquid market. On top of that, there's no transparency. Whoever of you ever bought a diamond, and I asked this on conferences around the globe. I ask people who bought a diamond, if I have a little more time, and I get some hands raised, I always ask them the same question. Was that a good deal? I always get the same answer. We don't know, because there's no transparency. That's where we come in. The last thing is fungibility. Fungibility in the financial world is the meaning of transferable asset, meaning one product is equal to the other product. We are willing to switch between them. We are doing all these 3 things with Cedex, using 2 technologies. We're using the blockchain technology, and the blockchain technology gives us the ability to take a physical asset, like diamonds, and actually tokenize it. Tokenize it in our world is meaning creating out of it a digital asset. That digital asset represents all the underlying characteristics, meaning the gem composite of that diamond, and represent the ownership of that diamond. But what we do in Cedex is we add another technology. It's called the DEX. The DEX is a proprietary machine learning algorithm that actually allows us to take tremendous amount of data from the market online, connecting to 1,600 wholesalers, on top of the gem composite information and on top of indices. We compile them all together, and we're able to do something that is revolutionary in the world of diamonds, and that's to give you an actual price of a diamond. So if you bought a diamond yesterday, you can go with your GIA certificate to Cedex.com, and you'll know by $1 how much money you overpaid. I can already tell you. So, but that's okay, because we're looking at the wholesale prices. What do we do with this all? We take all this, and what we create, and again, I'm not going to go into technology right now and more than that, because 40 seconds are left. What we do is we offer an investor for the first time to actually invest in diamond. We take diamonds, we tokenize them. The diamonds themselves are sitting in a custodian, a third-party custodian, like Brinks, that you all know. They keep those diamonds. And on each diamond that is kept there, there is a smart contract that represents the digital asset. That digital asset is actually sorted not by its price, by its value. Because it doesn't matter if a diamond costs 100 or it costs 90. What is important is what is the relative value of it. If I sell you a diamond for 100, but the real value of that diamond is 110, you just got a great deal, because you're buying $10 below market value. But if the same $100 that I'm asking is for a diamond that's worth $90, it's a bad investment. So what we do at Cedex, we actually rate all these diamonds based on their value. So the DEX allows us a value representation, and as an investor, you can go in and just trade in and out diamonds. It goes much more than that. It goes to other financial products. Obviously, the time is limited here to go through all of it, but you're welcome to go to Cedex.com and read all about it. We hope in a few years from now, when you look at financial markets and you say, wow, diamonds have become one of the most liquid commodities out there, you remember you heard this presentation here in Tel Aviv. So thank you very much for the opportunity. Have a good day.
Thank you.